Today I'm sharing 10 very clever ways to update your style instantly using ChatGPT. And these aren't just fun to try, but they will completely change the way you wear your clothes. And don't worry, I've popped all of the prompts in the description box below so you can grab them later. So let's just jump right in. Hi, I'm Leonie and welcome to my channel. Now today we are talking all things AI, and whether you like it or not, AI can be a super helpful tool when it comes to fashion. You've probably seen a lot of people here on YouTube talking about AI, but it can really help you not only hone your personal style, but give you outfit options and just make getting dressed so much easier. I've been using it to help me feel more stylish and with a whole lot less work and hassle, and I'm sure these tips that I'm sharing today are going to help you do exactly the same. So if you've always wanted a capsule wardrobe but you don't know where to start, you simply tell ChatGPT exactly what you need. So the prompt here, and as I said, I will pop these down below so you can copy and paste them later. But basically, I asked ChatGPT to create a 15-piece capsule wardrobe for whatever season for a woman aged, and you just pop your age in here with a chic but casual style. You can also change out the style that you want or a style that kind of talks more to your own personal style, but this is the prompt that I use, including tops, bottoms, dresses, shoes, and accessories. Include outfit combinations for each item, and I want the wardrobe to be attainable but aspirational and not what you would expect a woman of my age to traditionally wear. And boom, it'll give you a whole plan in seconds. Now, not everything in here will perhaps really speak to you, but that's when you can go and ask ChatGPT a few further questions just to narrow down your search and fine-tune it more to you. Now, we all know that runway trends can be intimidating, and that's where ChatGPT comes in super handy because it can completely translate them for you and give you far more wearable and attainable options. So I'll ask ChatGPT to take the following fashion trends. I'll name a couple of trends or even just a single trend and suggest how to wear them for everyday outfits that suit a body type or body shape like mine. So you insert your own body type or shape in here and let ChatGPT work its magic. Now here's an example of what it showed up for me. So I've put in here that I wanted to find out more about how I can wear chocolate brown, and I've put my body type as tall athletic. So as you can see, it's a little bit like having your own stylist that actually gets your, not only your lifestyle, but your body type too. It's super handy, right? Now this one's a favorite of mine because all you have to do is list out some of the items that you already own and then let ChatGPT work its magic by creating some really interesting looks for you. And generally speaking, these are looks that I hadn't even thought about before. So the prompt for this one is just, here are the items in my closet, and then I would list a few items that I'm currently wearing and loving and would like to kind of get re-inspired by or come up with some new outfits for, and suggest 10 stylish outfit combinations I can make using only these pieces. So this is a perfect prompt for those times where you really need to just shop your own closet. You don't want to spend money. You might be on a low buy month and you just want a little bit of inspiration from the clothes you already own. And that's why this is a favorite of mine. I use it all the time, and it doesn't always throw up a whole lot of new ideas for me, but 9 times out of 10, it will throw up something that kind of gets the wheels moving and gets me inspired to piece together different items that I already own. So ultimately, it's helping me save money and make more use out of the clothes that are hanging in my wardrobe. And if you're not sure which colors really make you glow and look your best, then let ChatGPT work that one out for you as well. All you need to do is use the prompt I have, and then you insert your skin tone, your hair color, and eye color, and ask it to suggest a palette of 10 flattering clothing colors and explain why they work for me. It's really that simple, and I recently did this one and look what it showed up for me. Now, of course, this is also just using ChatGPT on the free mode. I have actually upgraded, and this isn't sponsored by ChatGPT, but I'm just finding that AI is becoming so useful in my day-to-day. But this is simply free information that you can whip on over to ChatGPT and get yourself. So as you can see, it's a little bit like a free color analysis, but you don't even have to leave home for it. One of the biggest stresses when it comes to getting dressed is when we have a special event or some special engagement to go to, whether it's a wedding or a work do or a new date. And that's where ChatGPT can really help to create an outfit that is occasion appropriate. So the prompt that I use for this one is I say, I'm going to, and then you insert the event type, whether, as I said, it's a wedding or a work do or whatever. And I want 5 outfit ideas that are stylish, age appropriate for a 58-year-old woman and comfortable, including clothing, shoes, and accessories. This one's great because it really does help you avoid those last-minute panics of thinking, what do you wear? And it can also start that ball rolling. And that's what I find about ChatGPT. It's a really good way of just kind of getting my head in the game and getting me to start thinking about some outfit options. Now, if you're heading away on vacation or you're off on a work trip or just generally heading away somewhere, then let ChatGPT do the hard work when it comes to planning your outfits and planning your packing. So the prompt that I would use for this is, I'm going to whatever the destination may be for however many days and in which season. Create a packing list with outfits for each day, keeping luggage to a minimum and items mix and match. It's as simple as that. You will have a whole lot of ideas in an instant, and your holiday will all of a sudden become a whole lot less stressful. Now, this tip changed the way I wear some of my favorite pieces. So essentially, if I have a piece that I'm particularly loving, I'll just go to ChatGPT and ask it to create some interesting looks using that statement piece. So the prompt that I use for this is I just say, give me 7 different outfit ideas to style a whatever that item might be, whether it's a red blazer or a red cashmere sweater like I'm wearing today, for both casual and dressy occasions. This is an easy way to make sure that you don't buy pieces that just collect dust or sit in your wardrobe unworn. And if you do have some of those pieces, then try this prompt on them right now. It's amazing how easy it will be to make sure that those pieces aren't just a waste of your time and money. Get ChatGPT to do the hard work, or as I said earlier, just get those kind of creative wheels in motion. And of course, if you're not really sure what your own personal style is and you don't have a handle on it, and let's face it, it's not always easy, because as we get older and as our lifestyle changes, so too does our personal style. So the prompt that I would use to let ChatGPT help me out is this. So you simply say, ask me 10 questions about my lifestyle, preferences, and style inspirations, then summarize my signature style in 3 sentences and suggest 5 outfit formulas I can wear year round. This one is an absolute game changer for finding and really uncovering your very own signature style, or I suppose you could call it your style DNA, because often this is a really important part of the puzzle. Once you have a good understanding of your personal style, you can avoid wasting money on pieces that you know aren't going to work for you, and it just makes it easier to create outfits that are going to be perfect for you. Now, like most of us, we are shopping on a budget these days, and if that is you, then ChatGPT can come up with some really cost-effective ways that you can look fresh and modern and stylish, but without breaking the bank. So the prompt that I use for this is, you ask ChatGPT, I have a budget of whatever your budget is, so you insert the amount there, to refresh my wardrobe. Suggest a shopping list with links from, and then you name some of your favorite stores here, focusing on versatile, timeless pieces. And there you have it. It's a great starting point before you head to the mall to start shopping, and make sure you take that list with you as well. And this one is also budget friendly too. So if you love a particular actor or celebrity's style, then this is a very simple prompt that will help you get that style, but without spending a whole lot of money. So it's kind of like steal her style for less. So the prompt that you use is you say, I love the style of whoever the celebrity or icon is. Suggest 10 modern wearable outfits inspired by their look, suitable for, and then you put your age in, woman, with budget-friendly options. Suddenly you've got your own personal stylist doing all of the hard work for you. And of course, if you don't think that ChatGPT has given you the right sort of information, ask a couple more questions just to prompt it a little bit further to drill down and get the answer that really does speak to you. Now, if your style just got a glow up thanks to ChatGPT, then let's make sure that you don't waste any money buying fashion trends that are not right for you. So click or tap on the screen here and I will see you there.